Welcome to my video. Today I am going to draw a very simple rose with Faber Castell Polychromos pencils. I always start by drawing small circles very lightly, and then I gradually start pushing a little bit harder to blend everything. It is called burnishing, but before I burnish everything, I lay down a variety of colors, and that's how I get those realistic looks. However, I have seen that some people just use only a one color, then they burnish everything and maybe put another color on top, but the drawing looks very flat and unrealistic. However, if it is their goal, it is fine by me. Also, the most important thing is not to rush your drawing and draw slowly with small circles or however you prefer. And don't forget to use the right values. What I mean by that, just make your darks dark enough and your lights light enough. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, what would you like to see in my future videos, then leave a comment and let me know. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to my channel to do not miss my future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!